Outstanding design defines the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.